Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you connect this earphone to your Vivo phone. Guys, you want to connect, so as you can connect. And guys, now let's see how to connect earphone to our Vivo phone. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys how to connect earphone in our Vivo phone. So friends, how can you connect this earphone guys? I am going to show you in this video. So then first of all, come in your phone setting. So friends, after phone setting guys, you can see this Bluetooth and device setting. So guys, click here and guys click on Bluetooth and guys on your Bluetooth and guys click on new device and guys on your earphones. So we will on it. So as you can see guys, this Ubon earphone. So we will have to click on guys this earphone name. So after 4 and 5 seconds guys, it will connect in your phone guys. You can see guys, we have connected this earphone in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.